Good morning and welcome back to Stackhouse Knives. Thank you very much for watching this week's video. This week's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to be doing a recording session of one of the classes that we teach here at Stackhouse Knives. So instead of me making the work and me forging and making Damascus steel, I'm going to be walking around the studio and filming all the other students making Damascus steel and forging their knives. The classes that we do here at Stackhouse Knives are for anyone. They don't have to be for someone who's already made a knife before. You can come on site with no previous experience of working with steel or anything like that. It's nice if you've got that experience, but that's not necessary. So don't feel pressured that you have to have made a Damascus steel knife or you've already made something before you can participate in these classes. You can hear a couple of cars parking up outside. I think the students are here. I'm going to turn the camera off. Going to get my intro done for them to get them involved and get their safety gear on and get inducted with all of the processes necessary to do so. And you guys are going to start to see some of the progress work of the students, their Damascus steel forging, all of that stuff. So stay tuned. Let's get into work. So in just 2 days or one weekend, we've managed to get our Damascus steel billets forged and fused together and started making some knives out of those billets. We essentially got the Damascus steel done on day 1, and then day 2 we started getting into pattern making and forming the blades and getting the knives done. It happened really quickly. It was really cool to see the students get some really awesome skills from it. They were really happy with the results that they've got. I've got one student who in particular is making a lot of knives. He wants to make 8 knives, all almost the same, and he's not quite done on that. That's a larger project to do, but he's also done the class before, so I've gone ahead and said yes to the project that he wanted to do, where he would learn, make more knives in the same amount of time, and kind of build up a bit more of a mass production sort of process, but not quite mass production, but he's learning to make more and more knives and be effective and make more efficient use of his time. So that's really wonderful to see that kind of progress in a student. As always, thank you very much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. If you can, smash the like button with a massive hammer, and if you are new to our channel here at Stackhouse Knives, please subscribe and hit the post notification button on the bottom of your screen, or the little bell icon. That will give you updates on all of our videos here at Stackhouse Knives. Once again, thank you very much and have an awesome day. Thank you.